Catch the attention of potential clients with online videos, engage them in the comfort of their own home. Using popular video sharing website like YouTube, you can dramatically increase the exposure of your own practice, introduce yourself to the local community, and let people have an inside look at the professional services you offer. Using video marketing, your current patients, and your potential clients, do not have to wade through pages of text, just to find the information they want. Video marketing gives your service personally, both online and offline. These videos will be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to build stronger relationships with your current clients, and positively influence potential clients. Through the distribution of videos, you can provide your clients with important information about commonly misunderstood back and neck pain problems, further increasing your professional standing in the community. Incorporating client testimonials into your online marketing plan is a very effective approach that will help you stand out locally. With videos, the search engines will give you better search engine results. Want to know how to have patients calling you every day? Call or email me today at billbefore@hopitelecom.net.